What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope everybody's doing well. Good morning from Johannesburg, South Africa. Woohoo! Little flag to take back home. We're gonna go over our friend Ethereum. Currently, we're sitting at 1,374. We're up 13.5 on the day. Ethereum absolutely exploded back into the ascending triangle, and then just shoo, full steam ahead. All right, corny. So let's get into the analysis. We're seeing a market cap of 165 billion. 24-hour volume, 20.22 billion. Let's jump into the charts. Here we are. So it's absolutely crazy. I did not think this was going to be the likely scenario. But Ethereum put in basically a 99% retracement of this wave 2 low here, and then exploded to the upside, because if it broke that wave 2 low, it would have validated that wave structure, but it didn't. So potentially we're looking at a wave 1, wave 2. Now we may have already completed our wave 3. If we take our trend-based fib extension from the bottom of wave 1 all the way up to the top, down to the bottom of the wave 2, you're looking for a 1.618 extension, which is coming in at 1.441. We wicked, I mean, that's enough, right? You wicked almost right up to it. So if Ethereum were to see a pullback here, then we'd be looking at a wave 4 pullback. Now, if it continues to explode, then you're looking for the continuation of the wave 3. But if we were to pull back here, take your fib retracement from the bottom of wave 2 up to the top of wave 3, and you're looking for a pullback, let's drop in our little friend, the yellow box. The 0.236, the 0.382, the 0.5. Usually, the minimum target's the 0.236, my apologies, the 0.236. And usually it's going to retrace in between the 0.382 and the 0.5, which is currently coming in between 1.265 and 1.217 for our friend Ethereum. So if it does pull back into that zone, I may look to jump into a long trade, because we'd also be pulling back onto the support of the ascending triangle. Check this out, guys. Beautiful big fake out to the downside. Beautiful triple bottom. Boom, bottom, second bottom, third bottom. Boom, breakout. Technical target 1630. Now, as I've been mentioning here, even if we push all the way up to this technical target, which looks like it's going to be a likely scenario, and this is a massive, massive bull trap, I still think we're looking at a wave 4 pullback, because a wave 4 can pull up, just as I showed you guys with that previous chart. If you take your fib retracement, top of wave 2, bottom of wave 3, you're looking for a wave 4 to take you up in between the 0.382 to the 0.5. If it pushes higher to the 0.618, it's most likely invalidated, and we'd be getting close to pushing into the wave 1, and that would invalidate it, and that would mean this is your wave 5 low, and basically the bear market would be over for Ethereum, and most likely for the rest of the market, as Ethereum is a leading crypto. But I don't think it's likely. I think we're putting in a wave 4. Everyone's going to get really bullish, really excited, and then the whales are going to take advantage, boom, and push us down for that wave 5. But I could be wrong. This could be the bottom. I think it would surprise a lot of people, including myself, and we see a reversal in the trend, but personally, I don't think it's likely. I think you're looking at a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, your largest wave 3. Right now, we're going through a corrective wave 4, finally seeing a bounce. I mean, it's about time. And then put in that final wave 5 to take you down here to this level of support in between 500 and 640. But it is just my opinion and not financial advice, as I am not your financial advisor. I am just a young guy who's from Canada and is about to go back at the end of the week. It's okay. Get to see mama. It's always nice. All right, guys. So that's what I'm looking at for Ethereum. We've broken out technical target 1630. If you see some pullback here, I would expect a wave 4 pullback. Now, usually you don't want your wave 4 dropping into your wave 1, but this was a 1-2-1-2 setup, but still I wouldn't want to see this wave 4 drop into the wave 1. So basically you're looking for a bounce in between 1258 and about 1322. If we do see a little bit of pullback, put in that wave 4, that wave 5 to complete the wave 3, the larger wave 3. Here's your impulsive wave 1. Corrective wave 2, this is a really wacky tobacco wave 3, and looking for that wave 4, wave 5 to complete the larger wave 3. But Ethereum is starting to break major levels of resistance, and and could be starting to reverse the trend here on the daily, but I think it might be a short-term reversal and then see that continuation to the downside. But of course, anything can happen. Currently, we're in some juicy profits on our Gala trade. I give trade signals. The trade is just getting started, could still go the other way and get stopped out, but I'll throw it up on the screen. If you want to trade with me, $4,000 over, sorry, how much is it? 4,200, up to 4,200 in bonuses. That's where I do all my trading on Bybit. Make sure to sign up. And to get my trade signals, it's only $10 a month. Most guys charge $50, $100 that I've seen on YouTube. I like to try to make it affordable for everybody for my exact leverage trades, my exact spot trades, what I'm doing with my HODL positions. And over 2,000 members now. Let's see how many members we got. Quite a few. Let's go. Come on. This Airbnb internet is killing me. When I get home, I'm going to get something called Google Fi. And I think you get internet from satellites, and it's provided by Google. So I think that will be a lot better for me because I can't risk having bad internet anymore. It's been pretty rough since I've been on my travels here in Africa, but that's not important. Currently, we're sitting at 2,077 members. They're posting chart patterns. They're talking all things crypto. And at the $10 membership, you have access to my exact entries, exits, and take profits. Sign up through the Patreon. Sign up to Bybit if you want to. Crypto.com. Always up to you, your choice. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.